trying to diagnose this tick. They thought it was the upper of the engine, so they had the cam, the lifters, push rods replaced. Same noise. When I heard it, I kind of knew it was lower end. So I told the customer it was coming from the lower end. So I'm going to show you how I diagnosed. And I'm thinking flywheel. Watch this. This is just WD-40. This might help somebody. Watch this. Disappeared. So we know for a fact it's coming from that bell housing. It'll come back, but if that's not pinpointing it, I don't know what is. Like I say, it's gone completely. You might want to try that. I've also heard these little plastic tabs being bent and hitting inside there. Move your tab back a little bit or take it off altogether. Can't even tell it was there. Got an exhaust leak over here, but that's about it. But it will come back. I guess once the WD-40 dries up, it does come back. But like I said, it might help somebody. Pull those little covers off, start it, spray you some WD-40 in there, PB blaster or something. And if it shuts up the tick or the knock or whatever you want to call it, you know that's where your problem is. And it's gonna be 9.5 times out of 10 that flywheel. I'm gonna post some pictures with this flywheel, and it kind of starts up funny. If you hear it, it's not bad, but it's bad enough. No, it didn't do it that time, but a couple of times I've started and you can hear it like struggle or slight grind. You know, that flywheel to starter grind. But okay, man.